Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to record with Unity. First of everything, the first thing we have to do is go to Package Manager and find the recorder, this package, and you just install it. Once you have the package installed, you have to go to, I'm trying to remember everything, to General, sorry, I just pressed Accumulator, General Recorder, and open the recorder window, and you just drag and drop the window to the right side so it will be easier. Then you add a recorder and you press movie. These are the things I have. You can put higher quality or higher definition. That's up to you, and you just go here and you go like you do here. You just have to type the name of the file you want to save, and I put it in .mp4 and I press constant 60 fps, so we don't have like the FPS don't go down and up all the time. And we just put tutorial video and we just save, and we press this button when we're ready. I can show you in another video how to make the tracks for following the camera. So now it's making this. It goes a bit slower because I'm recording, so that may cause some problems because my computer is not as good. So that make it work slowly. Maybe I have some issues with the video because like my CPU is it's saying it's too nice, so that might cause. Okay, wait, I'm nearly done. When we finish, just have to press stop recording. That will be in a few. Okay, and now we can go to the place we saved. Here we added the path of the thing we saved, and we just go to here, and you can see your video. I have the tutorial video that is not working good, you will see, because it's lagging because I'm recording, but I did this before, just with the same setting, just pressing the button, and it goes perfectly. Oh, not this, not this, not this. Sorry, it's yeah, this one. Sorry, you can't see it good in the. Sorry, it's when I'm recording. You can't see good the videos. Wait, maybe if I do it like this. No, it's just lagging when you watch a video while you're recording, just because my computer is not good enough. But you will see the video will be perfect. If you want, in another video, sorry, I finished this, I can show you how to make this path for the camera and how to make it look nice. That's what I did, and that's everything. If you want, I can show you my game in another video that I'm working on, and how to make the animations of the doors, just how to program puzzles, and more things. And if you have any question, you can just put it in the comments. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.